Most people hear the word budgeting and immediately think of restriction, sacrifice, or saying no to everything they enjoy. It sounds boring, limiting, and unnecessary, especially if money feels tight already. But budgeting isn't about punishment, it's about clarity. It's about knowing where your money is going instead of wondering why it disappears every month. For a lot of people, money stress doesn't come from earning too little. It comes from not having control. When you don't know how much you can safely spend, every purchase creates guilt or anxiety. Budgeting removes that uncertainty. It gives your money a plan so you don't have to constantly think about it. At its simplest, budgeting means deciding in advance how your income will be used. Instead of reacting to bills, subscriptions, and random expenses, you make intentional choices. That shift alone changes how money feels. You stop guessing and start directing. Even if your income doesn't change, your sense of control does. One of the biggest myths about budgeting is that it kills freedom. In reality, it creates it. When you know your essential expenses are covered, you can spend the remaining money without guilt. Budgeting doesn't tell you not to enjoy life, it helps you enjoy it without regret later. Many people avoid budgeting because they're afraid of what they'll see. They don't want to face how much they're spending on small, everyday things. But awareness isn't the enemy. Ignorance is. Once you see your spending clearly, you can make small adjustments that don't feel painful but add up over time. Budgeting also protects you from emergencies. Life doesn't care about your plans. Cars break down, medical bills show up, and unexpected costs appear at the worst times. When you have a budget, these moments feel less like disasters and more like inconveniences. You're prepared instead of panicked. Another overlooked benefit of budgeting is how it improves decision-making. When money is unorganized, every choice feels stressful. Should you take that trip, buy that gadget, or switch jobs? With a budget, decisions become clearer because you know what fits and what doesn't. It removes emotional decision-making from money. Budgeting doesn't require perfection. You don't need to track every penny or follow extreme rules. The goal isn't control for control's sake. The goal is awareness and consistency. Your budget will change as your life changes, and that's normal. What matters is having a system you actually use. For people trying to build savings, invest, or reach financial independence, budgeting is the foundation. Without it, progress feels random. With it, even small incomes can create momentum. You stop relying on luck and start relying on a process. Over time, budgeting changes how you think about money. Instead of reacting to expenses, you plan for them. Instead of stress, you feel confidence. Instead of avoiding your finances, you engage with them. That mindset shift is often more valuable than the money itself. In the end, budgeting isn't about limiting your life. It's about protecting your future while still enjoying the present. It's a tool, not a punishment. And once you experience the peace that comes with knowing exactly where your money is going, you realize budgeting isn't restrictive at all. It's empowering.